Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 3-color under cabinet light, which is great for under cabinets, desk, coolers, etc. Nothing to really show you around the box, but we will open it up and take a look at what's inside. Inside we have, that's it for the box. So we have some sticky tape as well as some cable holders to hold your cable out of the way. We also have full little instruction guide telling you exactly how to install these and exactly what each button does. We have an included power brick to power the under cabinet lights, and then this is the actual under cabinet light. So you'd be able to use that double-sided tape to stick onto here to stick it underneath your cabinet, and then you get 3 different color options. As you can see, you have a mode button here, a brightness down and up, as well as your power right on the cable. And this cable is completely attached, and the USB just goes to the power adapter and plugs in for power. So that'll do it for this under cabinet light unboxing. This is everything that you would get in here. It includes everything you need for the installation. You should be able to buy this, put it under your cabinet, plug it in, and have you some nice lighting. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.